I don't know. Nah, it's small. It's just bending, fighting really hard. Oh, it's decent. Not bad. Yeah. Oh my gosh. He just got water all over my face. Can you get him, please? He just got water all over my face.
Can you hold it?
Yeah.
Get him, buddy? Oh, that's a good one.
I got it.
All right.
I barely even hooked him.
You want to see how big it is? How much it weighs?
Sure. Did it turn off? Yeah, I saw
No,
it.
it's good. It's good.
It's got water all over me, guys.
2 pounds even. All right, Vinny.
Thank you for the bite, young man. Oh my god! They
Is
spit it out! That was like the same fish though. I saw that. I find casts
Off the other side?
Yeah.
Try, yeah. That's a fish.
You can't feed them to the loon.
I don't want to do that.
Look at it.
He's coming right up here.
Oh yeah. He wants your fish.
Little 1 pounder.
The loon wanted it.
Yeah, he did. I know, I guess I could have fed it to him, but I don't know
What if it? I feel like
if it was like a sunfish, I would be like, whatever. You know what I mean?
Such a small lake, but like perfect. Like there's big fish in here.
You got it.
Is she big? I don't know. I haven't seen it. Oh, it's a northern.
Oh,
Slimy little. Done. I had a beep. Not a beep, but it was fly by me. Came off by himself?
I just moved the hook, popped right off. Kind of weird hearing the noise that that little one makes.
It could be just a random bird nearby. No, that's. I know, but I'm just saying.
One there and one over here.
Got one.
You got a fish?
Yeah.
Oh. Good job, buddy.
That's what you gotta do with a loose collar for it. Ooh. Chill out. You'll be back in the water soon. I swear.
You gonna weigh him, buddy?
Nah, he's not that big.
You sure?
He's like a 2.
Okay.
The loon was following it, guys. Now you better run as fast as you ever could. Now go. Go, go. What did you?
Just be careful.
Got one.
It was right here, the loon.
Hey, don't you dare. Don't, I said don't you dare. Ooh. Came off. Chill out. Chill out. Oh, nice. You and Dad got doubles, guys. Ow. You son of a gun! Me and Dad got like the same fish, guys. It kind of is the same fish.
Almost, yeah.
Uh-huh. It could be twins. Yeah, you better run as fast as you can, I swear. Oh, you're just looking. Go!
Oh,
Oh, shoot. Oh, no. I hope it doesn't die.
come on, where's... Oh, there's everything.
Back into the fish or what?
Back into the loons.
That's what I meant. I have never tried the pink flavor. Berry. It's berry.
Uh-oh. Oh, it's
Haley, me and you laughed at like the same time.
just another little guy.
Can't lie, the berries kind of good. I couldn't see. Oh, the loon's back.
What? Oh, what the?
Where's the other?
They're way over there.
Haley, look behind you. I see that. Come. No,
What?
I'm just frustrated at these loons. I was wondering where they were. Haley, sometimes I would just like to sit here like this. I just got a couple of nibbles, but I think it was something.
There's something big at the bottom. Whoa! Did you see that? That northern, that's what I saw at the bottom. He jumped up out of the water. Like, hopefully the GoPro caught it.
For your thing?
For my thing.
The baby is hungry.
I can start up the big mode.
The baby one's hungry.
That's a good one.
Both flip. Nice.
There we go.
What are you gonna say? Oh,
He's got a fish in his mouth.
Oh, did he actually?
Huh?
Oh, he does?
Yeah, I can see its tail sticking out of his mouth.
Look how fat he is. Let me see. Oh, yeah. It's like a...
See it?
Oh, my gosh. No, look at how fat he is.
I don't know if you guys can see that, but he's got a fish in his mouth. And looks like a little sunfish or a crop or something.
Again. Right here. Here's one.
Got one?
Yep.
Need the net?
Nice one.
Yeah. Take your time.
Northern or bass?
You want to hold it or you just want me to get him off?
I can hold it.
I gotta get the pliers.
I don't want to get another trouble hook in there.
Yeah, I don't need to.
I'll bet you are freaked out again, Dad.
Back here.
Going. No! He spit it out! Haley! He spit it out! Yeah, you had a big backbash in here, so I got it out.
Hold on to your rod, Haley, because if he starts to fucking wiggle, I'm not. I got a big treble hook in my hand earlier this year from the northern, and
It was a.
you can show the camera.
I forgot. That we're recording. Oh, that was a fish.
I saw my life flash before my eyes.
I only saw half of that.
You want a picture too? There's another one.
That was a bass. What the heck? I casted that right where you.
Yeah, I see that. Oh, was that a nice one?
Yeah. Stay on, please. Please stay on.
Good job, buddy.
On Haley's rod.
Can you get him?
Yeah.
All right.
You hand me the pliers.
Pliers?
Yeah. Oh, never mind. I got it. It's a nice one, guys. These are the ones we're looking for. Try to bite me. Oh.
Still there?
I thought he bit the line. I'm not looking. I think it's a bass.
Yeah, it's a bass.
Haley, guess what? Look who got one now. You're so brown from living in those weeds. Oh my gosh. Haley, look at how brown he is. Yeah, I see that. I'm not trying to get a hook with my fingers. Oh my gosh, he's right on. Hooked him like right on the side of his tongue. Sorry, buddy. I almost had another one. I like this thing. Guys, look at how brown he is. The wind's like perfect to these birds. That's what I'm trying to
Got one?
do.
Any spot? Ooh.
Spot off it.
Well, yeah, unless you're going to pay attention to it where you're going. Nice one.
Not that I had one, but I think he spit it out. You aren't gonna do it on your phone?
Look at all the fish on the live scope.
You got one.
Yeah?
I don't know if it's a bass. Oh,
Nice.
Gosh.
Oh, it got off.
I swear.
Maybe they did. Maybe they thought you were cute.
Why do you ever... It's just like every time when you record, you say like that.
Come on. Oops.
Got one?
job, Haley.
Maybe simple as it.
I saw that, Vinny.
It's not big, but it's still a fish. Get over. Okay. Shush it. Another horsefly just bit me. Oh, I barely even hooked him. It's a nice little one.
You're gonna have to get on the trolling motor soon, buddy.